laugh for a living. In case I crack joke, you don't laugh. It's not that I'm not funny. It's just that your problem is bigger than my ability. And I'm often killing myself for you. All of us get problem. Hello?
Laugh it off with Parrot. I'm here with Akpororo. Came all the way from Nigeria to support his brother Parrot. Quick one, let's talk about your journey to Ghana. When was the last time you performed in Ghana?
I think last year.
Talk about Parrot and his growth in the comedy industry. What do you make of his growth?
I'm happy for him. Like taking the show to another level. I was here last year, and you can't compare this to last year. So I want to congratulate you, son. Nice work.
Nice work. You were on stage. The crowd was very, very receptive. Tell us the experience.
I'm blessed. That's all I have to say. I'm blessed. Thanks to all my fans. Thanks for your love. Thanks for always making me feel fresh. Thank you. I really appreciate it. Yes.
Now let's talk about comedy here in Ghana and even in Africa at large. What do you make of it?
Ghana comedians are doing well. Obi, DKB, Organ, Funny Face, Jacinta, they are all doing well. That's just the stuff. You can't compare them before and now. Yeah, they are doing well. Everybody's good.
How do you see the collaboration between Ghana and Nigerian comedy in terms of collaboration and working together?
We have been doing that for years. For years. We have been collaborating.
Any advice to any young comedian watching right now?
Advice, believe in yourself. Don't let people talk you down. Just believe in God and believe in yourself. And this guy's your limit.
Kala, Daju,
From here, go. Now your personal problem,